So next is a DAD instructions. The next arithmetic instruction is a DAD instructions, that is add register pair to HL pair. So format, see the format, that is HL, result is stored in HL pair. So HL plus register pair, it is a register addressing mode. It includes in arithmetic group instructions. It is a 1 byte instructions and carry flag is only affected. So the content of register pair, that is RP, are added to the content of HL pair and result is placed in register H and L and only carry flag is affected in these instructions. So that instruction is very important according to exam. So see it properly. So see the example. So here is a H contains 03, L contains 05H and D contains 15H data and E contains 12H. So instruction DAD D performs the following result. The after executions L contains 05H plus 12H, it contains 70H and H register contains 03 plus 15H is equals to 18H. So combinedly your H and L contains 18H. So it adds the content of register pair to the content of HL pair. Understand? So 15H plus 3 and 12 plus 5. So it contains, it's add the register content. See here 05 plus means L plus E and H plus D. Okay, so it add contents of register pair H2 D and L plus E. Okay, so content of the register will be added in this DAD instruction. Then next is a sub R instructions, that is subtract register from accumulator. So format is A minus R and result is stored in a, that is accumulator. So this is a register addressing mode. It contains arithmetic group instructions. This is a 1 byte instructions and it affects all flags. So see the explanations. The content of register are subtracted from the content of accumulator and the result is placed in accumulator. So all flags may be affected and R can be any one of the following register, that is A, B, C, D, E, H or L. Okay, see the example. If your accumulator contains 37, C contains 40H, instruction sub C occurs, so you have to take a complement of C content, that is a 40H. So complement of 40H data is if there is a 0 then you have to make 1, so this is a complement. So C contains C in a binary format 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 2's complement of C is 1 1 0 0 0. Okay, plus A. So you have to take 2's complement. How to take 2's complement? You have to first complement and plus 1. So you will get the desired result. How to calculate 2's complement, 1 complements. So all videos are there. So go through it for finding it. Otherwise in our theory lecture I already told you all these things. So go through it and if you have any query then ask me. So since no carry is generated, so answer is negative and 2's complement of results. So we will take the 2's complements of result. So after execution A is equals to F7H and flags are affected according to the result. and the result is negative number, that will be 2's complement, and this carry, that is borrow flag, is set. Carry flag is set because your result is negative, so that's why. Then subtract memory from accumulator. This is also same like previous, but here memory is used. So the content of the memory location whose address is stored in a HL pair register is subtracted from the content of accumulator, and the result is placed in a accumulator, and all flags may be affected. So example is HL pair contains data, that is 2500H, that is 05H, and A contains 07. So after executing these instructions, the accumulator contains 07, means 07 minus 05, that is 02, and flags are affected according to the result. The next instruction is SBBR, that is subtract register from accumulator with borrow. See here, A minus R minus carry, that is a borrow. Addressing mode is a register addressing mode. Arithmetic group instructions, 1 byte, flags, all flags are affected. So the contents of register R and carry bit are subtracted from the contents of accumulator, and the result is stored in accumulator. So all flags may be affected, and R can be one of the any register, that is A, B, C, D, E, H, L. So if accumulator contains 37 and C contains 3F, carry is contains 01, then after executing these instructions, subtraction using 2's complement. So you have to take 1's complement of 3F and then plus 1 and then add carry. So you will get the desired output, that is 40H and 2's complement of 40H. Since no carry generated, so answer is negative, and 2's complement of result after execution, A is equals to F7H. So flags is S is equals to 1, Z is equals to 1, auxiliary carry is equals to 0, P is equals to 0, and carry is equals to 1. So the result is negative number, so it will be in a 2's complement, and thus carry flag is set. So if your number is negative, then you have to take 2's complement and carry flag will be set here. This is the subtraction instructions. Some other instructions is also there in arithmetic instruction. So next is a SUI, that is subtract immediate data from accumulators. Means here what happen, it subtract the immediate data which is given in your instruction from accumulator, and result is stored in a accumulator. See here, this is the immediate addressing mode. Arithmetic group instructions, 2 byte, flags, all flags are affected. So this instruction subtract the 8-bit immediate data specified in instructions from the content of A. So here accumulator contains 2E and instruction is SUI 2EH. See the example part. After execution it will be 00H, means S2E minus 2E, so it becomes 0. So 00H will be result. So this is a very simple subtraction instruction. Then next is SBI, means subtract immediate data from accumulator with borrow. So it subtract accumulator minus data minus carry. It is immediate addressing mode. It is arithmetic group instructions. it is a 2 byte instructions and all flags are affected. So it subtract the 8-bit immediate data specified in a second byte of instructions along with the content of carry flag from the content of accumulator. So all flags are affected here. So A is equals to 34H and carry is equals to 01 and instruction SBI 33H. After execution A is 00H and S flags value was affected according to the result. Then next is increment the content, means you have to increment the register contents. If your register contains 33, then you have to increment plus 1, that is 34. So see here, format R plus 1 and result is stored in a R. So this is a register addressing mode. It is a 1 byte instructions. Flags are affected, that is S, Z, P, A and C. The content of register R are incremented by 1 and the result are stored in the same place. So all the flags except carry flags may be affected and R can be any one of the register, that is A, B, C, D, E, H or L. So see your data is B is FFM. So increment after execution B is 00. Then increment M instructions, it increment the memory content HL plus 1, it adds the plus 1 to the HL contents. It is also register indirect addressing mode. This is arithmetic group instruction. This is a 1 byte instructions and flags affected are sign flag, Z flag, P flag, that is parity flag and auxiliary carry flags. So the content of memory location whose address is stored in a HL pair incremented by 1 and result is stored in a some place. Okay, so all the flags except carry flags may be affected. It's same like a previous, but here we add in a memory plus 1, increment in a memory. So see the example. So it contains 00H. Like increment, there is a decrement instruction. So this instruction is very easy to understand. There is increment and decrement. See decrement memory content. So your HL minus 1. So your HL contains is 00H and after execution it will be FFH and according to it flags are affected to set or reset. So these are the some arithmetic instructions. In next lecture we will see remaining arithmetic instructions in detail.